one of the most important things when you drive your drone, when you film with your drone, have a subject. I know that big open landscapes are great, but when you can put an object or a person or something in the frame, it gives you a lot of perspective on the location. Uh, Also, having an object is actually will give you more visual interest to the photos and the videos that you're creating. In plain terms, you need to film something. It's okay, take a photo of the bigger place, of the bigger area, but have something specific in that one so you know what's actually in between those shots in this area. There is a big field, you can see that part of the field, you can see other parts of it, but the most important thing is to have a subject. Now, in this one, there is the house, you have the aspect of that, and those are the fields with either, corn. This is where we hit a bit of some trees, but it's okay. It actually survived, and it's the same propellers from back then. But you have a point of it that is, what you're doing, and obviously in this one, it's actually old footage. A drone filter would be very, very nice. But as you can see, like, look at this. It's a lot different. It's a lot different than just having, something without a specific subject. So in this case, just know that having a filter is always the best. A filter, sorry, a subject is always the best case scenario for this one. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Do you leave your questions? Do you leave your opinions down in the comments? I'm going to be seeing you in the next video.